Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever in the world you're joining us from. I'm Kimon Mademlis, Marketing and Communications Director at the ERMA TECH GROUP. Thank you for joining us for this important announcement, a pivotal moment and a significant unveiling for our group of companies. Over the next few minutes, we'll take you through a journey of transformation, ambition, and innovation. We are here at the premises of the ERMA TECH GROUP at Schisto Industrial Park in Athens, a place that symbolizes both Greece's proud maritime legacy and its forward-looking potential. I know many of you are eager to hear what's next, and I can tell you, we have something sensational to reveal. But let's get straight to the point. I will now give the floor over to the president of the group, a very well-known personality in the maritime community, Ms. Eleni Polychronopoulou. Eleni, I'm sure you have some big news to share with us. Am I right?
Thank you for this great introduction, Kimona. Indeed, today we are here because we have something insightful, powerful, yet meaningful to share. Something that makes us all feel proud and inspired. First and foremost, I want to express my heartfelt thanks to all of you, our customers, partners, and colleagues. Your trust and support throughout the years have been the driving force behind everything we have achieved. In 1977, Ioannis Polychronopoulos founded Environmental Protection Engineering and established the head office in Piraeus. In 2005, the new factory of the company begins its operation in the Schisto Industrial Park. ERMA First was established in 2009 by a team of experts with a strong background and solid knowledge in waste and wastewater treatment technology for marine applications. Since then, you challenged us to go further, to push boundaries, to think beyond the expected. And because of you, we've grown. Not just in numbers, but also in purpose. In 2019, we announced the acquisition of Metis that specializes in high-frequency data acquisition and analytics. In 2020, we developed the alternative marine power system known as Blue Connect. In 2021, we expanded significantly, starting with the acquisition of One Tank, and that same year, we initiated the development of advanced sustainability technologies, our carbon capture and storage system, the Carbon Feed, but also the Flex series of energy-saving devices. Also in 2021, we strengthened our offering with the acquisition of RWO, a respected leader in water treatment technologies. Most recently, in 2024, we welcomed EcoChlor into the group, a US-based company known for its innovative ballast water treatment technologies. And today, with this transformation, we are more connected and more visionary than ever before. As many of you already know, commitment means everything to us. It is part of our DNA, and the way we have been building our relationships and doing business all these years. From the very beginning, our vision has been to become a global leader in sustainable maritime technology. Our goal was to offer innovative, advanced, future-proof solutions that protect the environment while supporting the needs of the global maritime community. And the truth is, we've come a long way. Today, our group of companies includes several trusted brands and a vast portfolio of products and technologies that minimize environmental impact, enhance operational efficiency, and ensure global regulatory compliance. Over the past few years, the ERMA First family has grown in scope, talent, and vision, and today we take the next bold step. I'm proud to unveil a new chapter, the biggest one yet to date in our shared journey. After years of collaboration, innovation, and hard-earned experience, we're excited to introduce the ERMA TECH Group of companies, a unified force developing sustainable, innovative maritime technology. Built from specialized companies with deep expertise, now stronger together under one shared vision. Together, we are building a group that fits for the future, unified, aligned with the needs of the maritime world, and committed to the protection of the oceans and the preservation of the planet.
ERMA First, Environmental Protection Engineering, Systems Division, RWO, EcoChlor, Metis, Armada Technologies. ERMA TECH GROUP, from saving the oceans to safeguarding the planet.
As I'm sure you are excited to hear more and deep dive into the insights, let me welcome my colleague and fellow traveler on this journey, Konstantinos.
Thank you, Eleni. It has been a pleasure working together for so many years. As the Greek philosopher Heraclitus once said, the only constant in life is change. And at ERMA TECH GROUP, we embrace and bravely promote change. especially when it brings us closer to our purpose. Today, change comes in the form of transformation, a transformation powered by innovation, collaboration, and a bold vision for the future of maritime sustainability. From water and wastewater treatment to decarbonization, from marine equipment and services to digital technologies, we have always delivered excellence. Project by project, vessel by vessel, customer by customer, we always approach each partner and case independently, honoring our customers by fully dedicating our efforts to offering tailor-made solutions. But now, it's time to bring all that strength together. ERMA TECH GROUP is a consolidation of trusted companies united under one identity, an evolution that reflects not just who we are, but who we are becoming. This merging is not a symbolic move. It's a bold strategic decision and an essential move for a simple reason: to serve better our customers and the global maritime industry in a time of remarkable change. The maritime sector is moving fast. New environmental regulations, rising energy costs, digital transformation, all demand smarter, more holistic solutions. As ERMA TECH Group, we can offer a full spectrum of solutions designed to meet today's demands and tomorrow's needs. But what exactly is new? With ERMA TECH Group, we are expanding our solutions and services in depth and in breadth. We have restructured, integrated, and aligned so we can support every stage of your operation, from engineering to life cycle management. Our group now offers a comprehensive portfolio that includes decarbonization technology driving the green transportation of the maritime industry. Water and wastewater treatment solutions are safeguarding marine ecosystems while ensuring compliance. Marine equipment and services are offering reliability, efficiency, and flawless operation.
Ballast water treatment, bilge water treatment, sewage treatment, freshwater, performance monitoring, carbon capture and storage, IHM maintenance platform, alternative maritime power, hull air lubrication, cathodic protection, energy-saving devices.
You may wonder what will actually change for existing and new customers. The answer is very little in terms of disruption, but a great deal in terms of added value. All existing contracts remain fully valid with no changes required from your side. Spare parts for previously purchased products will continue to be available, and now through a new unified spare parts platform. This will make sourcing spare parts faster, simpler, and more reliable than ever before. You will be working with the same trusted team, people who know your needs and have supported you all along. But I know you're eager to learn more about each solution in detail. So let me now hand it over to my colleague, Dr. Stelios Kyriakou, who will walk you through the first cluster of solutions, those focused on the decarbonization of maritime industry. Stelios, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Konstantinos. In today's climate-conscious world, decarbonization is no longer optional. It is a necessity. And for the maritime industry, it represents both a challenge and an opportunity. At ERMA TECH Group, we believe in seizing this opportunity. At ERMA TECH Group, we don't believe in one size fits all. Our decarbonization solutions are custom engineered to match each vessel's profile, operational needs, and environmental goals. Whether it's retrofitting existing ships or designing systems for new builds, we are ready to deliver results. We do this with a portfolio that includes energy-saving devices that are engineered for hull and propeller performance optimization, improving hydrodynamics and low fuel consumption. A standard example of our group's unique capabilities is the Flex series, a comprehensive solution that includes the Flex Cap, which is a propeller cap, the Flex Ring, a propeller duct, and the Flex Fins. Alternative maritime power via Blue Connect, an innovative alternative marine power solution allowing vessels to shut down engines and plug into shore power while at berth. Carbon capture and storage, a cutting-edge solution to actively capture CO2 emissions on board and prepare them for safe storage and disposal. Variable frequency drives, which are smart control systems that adjust motor speed based on demand, increasing energy efficiency across onboard systems. Performance monitoring, offering real-time tracking of key operational indicators, ensuring that every voyage is optimized for efficiency and compliance. Wind-assisted propulsion systems that integrate wind energy with modern sails or rotor systems. Big data analytics and AI-assisted optimization, which uses advanced algorithms to turn data into actionable insights, improving routing, fuel use, and maintenance planning. And of course, hard lubrication through the revolutionary passive air lubrication system. And with the hull lubrication technologies in mind, I'm excited to introduce a key part of this journey, one that represents a major leap forward in energy efficiency. To tell you more about this innovation and the vision behind it, I will now pass the floor to Alex. Alex, over to you.
Thank you, Stelios. I'm really excited to be here today, even more so to announce that Armada Technologies will be part of this important new chapter. This shows the group's strong commitment to ongoing R&D and to the green transition of the shipping industry. As the world shifts towards sustainability and reducing carbon emissions, the maritime industry is already transforming. Climate change demands it. In this context, the passive air lubrication system, or PALS, will play a critical role, and so will Armada Technologies. Hull air lubrication has been around for almost 70 years. It first emerged as a way to reduce noise, while it soon evolved into a leading energy efficiency solution. At Armada Technologies, we are proud to have developed the world's first passive air lubrication system, PALS. This is a major step forward into hull lubrication technology. Our system uses a Venturi mechanism. As the vessel moves forward, the Venturi system naturally forms an optimal spread of bubbles. This lubricates the hull continuously without the need for compressors. Our solution is fully adaptable. It features bubble production based on ship type, speed, draft, and weather condition. This ensures a consistent bubble layer even in deeper draft vessels and at lower speeds. Whatever format and configuration of PALS the owner selects, the results are the same. Greater operational efficiency across a range of conditions, low power consumption, and most importantly, no compressor is required. Armada's passive air lubrication system will help drive the clean maritime agenda, reducing fuel consumption faster and further. This is more than innovation, it's intelligent maritime engineering. The same intelligent maritime engineering that distinguished ERMA TECH GROUP as a world leader. I'm looking forward to the exciting announcements today and for the future ahead.
Thank you so much for sharing these great insights, Alex. Having explored our decarbonization solutions, it's time to move to another critical pillar of sustainable shipping: water and wastewater treatment. To guide us through this cluster of solutions, I'm pleased to invite two esteemed colleagues with long-standing expertise and deep know-how, having been years in maritime, Mr. Nikos Rimallas and Mr. Stratos Papamichalis, who will present our advanced, well-renowned systems in marine water and wastewater treatment. Nikos, Stratos, welcome on board.
Thank you for the engaging facilitation, Kimon. Water is life, and in the maritime sector, water treatment is not just a technical responsibility. It's a vital part of protecting the environment and ensuring regulatory compliance. At ERMA TECH GROUP, we offer a complete range of marine water and wastewater treatment solutions, designed for reliability, simplicity, and environmental responsibility. Our systems are developed to meet the highest and ever stringent international standards, while remaining easy to operate, easy to maintain, and fully integrable into modern vessel operations. Let's look at the core areas of our offering. Our ballast water treatment systems are fully compliant with IMO and USG regulations. They are designed to fit all vessel types and sizes, and they perform reliably in all water conditions, saline, fresh, and brackish. This means vessels can operate freely across global ports with full regulatory compliance. To date, we have successfully installed ballast water treatment systems on over 4,000 vessels worldwide. One of our proudest achievements up to now is the ERMA First Fit BWTS, our flagship system, with a leading #1 position in the global bulk carrier fleet and a 15% market share worldwide. We have also recently introduced the ERMA First Flow BWTS, a filterless side-stream electrolytic solution, ideal for large capacities and engineered entirely in Europe. Beyond our core systems, we also offer several specialized solutions, such as One Tank, which is the smallest and most cost-effective ballast water treatment system in the market. Due to its minimal footprint, One Tank is the ideal solution for tanker after-peak tanks, small vessels, or even super yachts and offshore platforms, and all of that with ultra-low energy use. And of course, the well-known Eco One from EcoChlor, which is available in 3 configurations, offering flexibility, ease of use, and low consumption. Both systems are produced by US companies that are now part of ERMA TECH GROUP. When it comes to ballast water treatment solutions, at ERMA TECH GROUP, we don't just deliver the system. We also provide the full life cycle maintenance and service, spare parts, consumables, and chemicals needed for effective ballast water operations. This means our clients benefit from a single, trusted partner for equipment, parts, and service. No third parties, no complications, just seamless end-to-end support, all under one roof. Equally important, ERMA TECH GROUP makes it easy for clients to identify the spare parts they need through our dedicated online spare parts platform. This user-friendly digital tool allows operators to quickly search, source, and request components online with fast response time and full-scale support. This isn't just convenience, it's a part of our ongoing commitment towards efficiency, transparency, and long-term customer support. Now, I'll hand it over to Stratos, who will continue with the rest of our water and wastewater treatment product range presentation.
Thank you very much, Nikos. At ERMA TECH GROUP, we apply the same level of engineering precision and service excellence to these systems as we do to the most advanced technologies, because we know they are foundational to operational success. After all, what makes us different in these areas is more than just our technology. It's our more than 50 years of experience, our deep regulatory expertise, and our hands-on knowledge from the field. Our solutions are not only technically robust, but also practical, easy to maintain, and backed by a responsive support team that understands the realities of life at sea. In a world of increasing environmental expectations, we help ship owners stay ahead with water systems that are not only compliant, but also smart, scalable, and future-ready. From bilge water separation to sewage treatment and freshwater production, these solutions play a vital role in safeguarding compliance, protecting marine ecosystems, and ensuring operational resilience across all vessel types. ERMA TECH GROUP offers renowned, reliable, and high-performing products across all categories previously mentioned. More specifically, our sewage treatment solutions provide advanced marine sanitation devices for the treatment of the black and grey water. In full compliance with MARPOL Annex 4, our group has the capacity to address the full spectrum of needs and vessel types, ranging from the merchant to the cruise and yachting fleets, with our long-established Triton series by EPE and Clean Sewage series by RWO. By integrating technologies from ERMA First, Environmental Protection Engineering, and RWO, our group ensures reliable performance across all vessel types. To date, we have installed over 3,000 SWAS treatment systems globally. In addition, our group offers efficient onboard freshwater production and treatment systems with our Alios and SRO-Com series, which ensure the continuous production of clean, safe freshwater, critical for both crew welfare and operational efficiency. I'm now pleased to hand the floor over to a colleague with a very long track record in our industry and an expert in his field, Mr. John Carvases, who will take you through the final categories of wastewater treatment products, as well as the next and final cluster of our marine equipment and service solutions. John, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Stratos. Bilge water treatment is a sensitive topic for shipping companies. There is a growing emphasis from regulators on eliminating accidental oil discharges, in particular to restricted maritime zones. ERMA TECH GROUP is now the leading bilge water solution provider in the marine equipment sector and has delivered over 25,000 oil-water separator installations worldwide, each of which helps to protect the marine environment from oil contamination. Our wide range of bilge water treatment products, including the Poseidon Fit by EPE and the Oil Water Separator Com by RWO, ensures that oil content in bilge discharge stays below regulatory limits, helping ships meet MARPOL Annex 1 requirements with confidence and consistency. At ERMA TECH GROUP, what truly sets us apart is our customer-first approach to support. We don't just provide systems, we provide long-lasting solutions. Our commitment goes beyond system delivery. We offer full lifecycle services across our entire products range, from design to installation, to crew training, ongoing maintenance, and remote monitoring. We are with you at every step, so you can focus on operation efficiently, safely, and with confidence. Marine equipment forms the essential infrastructure of any vessel, and while some systems may operate quietly in the background, they're absolutely critical to long-term performance, safety, and regulatory compliance. Let's take a look at two key areas where our offering truly makes a difference. The first is cathodic protection systems that protect a vessel's submerged structures from corrosion, a silent but costly threat to hull longevity and operational safety. Our portfolio includes the world-renowned Polcor aluminum and zinc canodes, now available in a cadmium-free version. We also offer anti-fouling and MGPS anodes and ultrasonic anti-fouling systems, which significantly reduce maintenance needs and extend dry dock intervals. The second is the inventory of hazardous materials, which is now a mandatory requirement for nearly all commercial vessels. IHM compliance is essential for responsible ship management and end-of-life planning. ERMA TECH GROUP offers end-to-end IHM services, from preparation and documentation to ongoing updates, all managed through a secure, cloud-based platform. Our solution ensures full compliance with both the EU Ship Recycling Regulation and the Hong Kong Convention. While cathodic protection and hazardous materials management may be considered mature technologies, they remain absolutely vital for ship owners. And now that you have seen the full scope of what we offer across decarbonization, water and wastewater treatment, and marine equipment and services, I will hand the floor over to Dr. Effie Cholaki, who will highlight key industry trends and the evolving regulatory landscape. Effie, over to you.
Thank you very much, John. Global shipping is evolving at a unprecedented pace, and it is clear that regulations are leading the way. From decarbonization mandates to fuel transition requirements, the maritime industry is entering a period of profound change. At the ERMA TECH Group, we are not just following these developments. We are here helping and supporting to shape the response. Today's regulatory landscape is defined by a series of ambitious yet necessary environmental targets. Let's look at a few of the most impactful now. The 2023 IMO GHG strategy outlines a comprehensive framework to reduce greenhouse gas emissions from international shipping, aligning with the goals of Paris Agreement. The IMO MARPOL Annex 6 is a key international regulation aimed at reducing air pollution from ships, including greenhouse gas emissions. The EU's broader Fit for 55 package is a central part of the European Green Deal and aims to make the EU climate neutral by 2050. Initiatives are the EU Emissions Trading System and the Fuel EU Maritime. The common thread across all these directives, a shared commitment to significantly reduce emissions up to 40% by 2030 and complete decarbonization by 2050. These are not distant goals, they are approaching fast, and they require ship owners, operators, and solution providers to act boldly with urgency and clarity. At ERMA TECH GROUP, we have built our strategy around this new reality. We design systems that are not only compliant today, but also adaptable for tomorrow with modular, scalable technologies that grow alongside the regulatory framework. We are here supporting our customers and partners achieve these targets, while at the same time protecting and preserving the marine ecosystem, saving the oceans, and safeguarding the planet. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Effie. As you have seen throughout today's presentation, there are some truly exciting things ahead for the ERMA TECH Group. And of course, we understand that a transformation of this scale may spark some questions. That's why we have created a dedicated frequently asked questions section on our brand new website, ermatechgroup.com. There, you'll find detailed answers to common questions, and if you don't see what you're looking for, you can easily submit your own. Our sales team will respond directly to your questions, usually within 48 hours. You can simply scan the QR code on your screen to go straight to the site. We invite you to explore the new website, learn more about our technologies, and follow us for updates, insights, and innovations as we continue this exciting journey. On behalf of everyone at the ERMA TECH Group, thank you for joining us today. We are proud of where we have come from and even more excited and proud about where we are headed, all while remaining committed to our brand purpose, from saving the oceans to safeguarding the planet. Until next time, take care.